formulas are this. There's a formula for the area of a circle. The area of a circle refers to all this part in here. It's measured in meters squared or centimeters squared. The formula for area is pi, whatever pi is just a number on a calculator, or it'll tell you what number to use. And it's going to be pi multiplied by the radius squared, whatever the radius is. This here is the radius. The radius is from the middle of the circle outwards. Okay? Second type of question you can be asked is the circumference of a circle. Can anybody tell me what the circumference of a circle is? The length of the outside. The circumference is got by using 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius. First question. Pi is 3.14. Calculate the circumference and area of each of the given circles. If the radius is 13, question 7, the radius is 13. I have two formulas, and pi equals 3.14. Why is pi equal to 3.14? Because it tells us it's equal to 3.14. Okay? You write down your two formulas. Area equals pi r squared. Circumference equals 2 pi r. Okay? So it's going to equal 3.14 times 13 squared. You got it? And the other one? 2 times 3.14 multiplied by, okay, and not squared, just r. Now put them into the calculator. And you get 81.64. Now remember, the circumference is which one, guys? Is the circumference a length or an area? It's a length of the outside. So it's measured in centimeters. However, because it says centimeters in the question. However, the area is measured in centimeters squared. So we're going to find out this one here. 3.14 multiplied by 13 squared, and you get 530.66 centimeters squared. Is that alright? Would you reckon you'd be able to do those ones? Yeah. I say they're easy enough, just put them into the formula, okay? Now, moving on to the next part. Okay, in these questions, in questions 11 to 20, what you're doing is calculate the circumference and area of the circle, but this time what's the major difference? If I was to do question, I don't know, question 15, what's the major difference this time around? Pi is 22/7 and the radius is 35 millimeters. What's the formula for area, Noah? Which is the full circle? The formula for area? Pi r, and circumference equals 2 pi r. Noah? Oh, sorry, not Noah, Aaron?
I'm just wondering, did you turn pi into
22/7.
No, but can you turn it into like 3 and
no need, because you can just put it into the calculator. You could, but I don't see the point. Pi is 22/7. The radius is squared. Okay, put that into the calculator. 22/7 multiply by, anybody? 35 squared, right? And you get 3,850. 3,850 what? Millimeters squared, because it's area. What about the circumference? 2 times 22/7 multiplied by 35. And you have to do your workings. You see the way I'm working it out now? You got to show me your work. Yes. Yes, Aaron.
Does that basically mean all you have to do is just put in your calculator, the two, and then, well, you have your...
Basically what I'm doing here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just do that and you have your answer.
Yeah. Q20. Just write down what you're doing, put it into the calculator, and you're done.
What's the then of q power equals 2 if